What's going on, you guys? Cam Sick TV here. Today I got a pretty cool video. I think you guys might like it. Pretty interesting. I'm here at the pick and pull. Basically, every car guy's dream, every car guy's like paradise to come to. In this video, I'm actually gonna put a picture of me and my dad working on this exact one right here. This is a 2010 Ford Escape with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, the Mazda 4-cylinder. And out of this one, his car was giving him has 100 and I think 50,000 miles on it. They bought it brand new, and we kind of didn't want to part ways with it, so we wanted to fix it. Long story short, it started shuddering second and third gear. We bought an eBay solenoid remand. It did not work. I guess it was a bad remand, or the bolts in the lineup and stuff like that. So it might have been out of a V6. So came here, and we found this one. It was not here before. They moved it, but I went walking around the yacht. I'm like, I remember it was all the way over there where that excavator is. I don't know if you could see it. It was all the way over there. Long story short, they moved it, and now I see it again because I was like, whoa, that one had a lot of nice parts. And I'll show you what I'm going to get today. I'll show you what we took out of it, and I'll show you what we're going to take out of it. I'm taking out the valve cover because he is looking for a valve cover right now for it. They're very hard to come by when it comes to OEM, so definitely gonna go and take it out, and they want a really good deal for it, so I'm cool with that. So yeah, let's go. So let me give you guys a little tour of this little gem right here. It looks like that front end hit. Honestly, I think the engine is in a good shape because the transmission, I'll show you right now, we took out the solenoid and it's shifting good. Like, the car is driving good, it's shifting good, it goes up to highway speeds and everything, and it's like a brand new car again. I'm telling you, this engine is good. But I'm taking off the valve cover. But yeah, I would love to take that engine, but they want $325 for it, and our storage space is a little limited. So the video is getting a little long. Let me get to the valve cover. Alright, so let me give you guys a little tour. This is the 2010. It's really nice shape, actually. Too bad it was not the same interior that we have. We have the black interior, but you know, it's in clean shape. It's a Florida car, you know. But no further ado, we took the solenoid out of it. If you look right here, so technically speaking, this transmission is ours, but we don't need the transmission. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm taking off the valve cover right here. It looks pretty easy. You know, a couple of 8mm bolts up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take off the coil packs and everything, and then we go from there. As you can tell, it got hit right here. So yeah, let me go ahead and remove this valve cover. It's pretty hot, so I just want to get out of here. All right. So update. I'm not taking it. There's a crack over here in the corner, and even though I know you could change the inside of it, but nah, I'll pass. We'll find another one sometime. What's going on, you guys? Back at the pick and pull. This time we got a sale going on, 50% off everything except for batteries and tires. So as you guys know, you guys seen the Chevy, right? So yeah, I needed some parts. I was hoping to find a couple of taillights for it, but all of them were busted up, and the ones that were good, that I was gonna come back and get, gone. Yeah, they don't last long. Yeah, it would have been like 20 bucks. Oh, 15 bucks actually. New, you can get 2 for 32, so it's not a big savings. But I got something for my dad, and I got something for me. So let me show you guys what I got so far. So for my dad, I got a valve cover. You know, I found another one that's actually in better shape. There's no cracks. All right, it's usually 23 bucks, so I think it's gonna go for like maybe 13 bucks. So that's a good deal. He really needs one because of the coil packs. They supposedly tend to thing. I got a mirror for the Chevy, and I got my AC thing. So yeah. So you guys might not have seen it yet, but there's a crew Cat Eye coming to the channel. exactly the same year. It's lowered, has a 5.3 flex engine, so definitely it doesn't have the deactivation engine, the 5.3, so it's the good one, and it has the 4L60E in it. So yeah, hopefully it makes a good thing for the channel. But on the passenger side, on the truck that I got, right here, from here all the way back, has a big gouge in it. These doors look pretty nice, but it's not the color I want, and it's in really bad shape. I'm thinking about maybe in the future, if it's still here or they have other ones, buy the doors. It doesn't need any body work. Remove these bump stops and get it painted, and that should be good. But these doors are solid, but it's not the color I want, so I want to get something that's a little closer. But yeah, practically something like this is going to be on the channel, guys, so stay tuned. It might be part of this video, actually. I want to make one long video. But yeah, I can't wait to get it. It's the same exact truck, same trim, everything. Just one thing, this has the deactivation engine in it. Mine doesn't have that, so thank gosh, because that's one engine I don't want. And you could tell by the VIN number, mine has a Z at the 8, this one has a V. So yeah, and also the valve covers, you can see it's a little different. So yeah, so I found another truck that's actually the same color as mine, but it's not a crew cab. The paint looks like it's in decent shape, just a little scratches on it. Oh, don't open. No, I wanted to see, but it's a lot of rust, so I want to avoid that. And also, I definitely do need this right here, but they want 60 bucks for it. Brand new, you can get it for 190, 120. But yeah, I don't know, I'm debating on it. But this right here is messed up on mine. Mine has a fog light. This doesn't have the fog light, so mine's a little bit more in the upper trim. But this is Z71. Why doesn't it have the fog light? That's weird. That's why the door's locked. I'm not climbing in there. But I don't know. They want 120 bucks for that door. See if I can find one a little cheaper. But yeah, that door looks pretty good. And then I'll just need a source of rear. But this is literally the same truck, same color, everything. The only thing I'm worried about the rust. So yeah. Bet you've never seen something like this before. Looks like it's a Mercedes. This is pretty cool. Never seen one like this before. It's rusted to crap though. This is cool. C 1971 C250. See some cool stuff here. You really do. Yeah. Other than that, Junkyard run today was a bit of an epic fail. Didn't find what I needed. We are leaving with a brake booster check valve. So yeah, that's for the Ford Escape, my dad's car. So yep. Guys, thank you for watching. More to add on to this video. I'm not going to end it now. I'm going to keep adding to it. It might be an hour-long video, but I just want to do a little cool video for you guys that has a little bit of an extended, you know, movie experience for you guys. But yeah, stay tuned for the crew cab. I can't wait. A couple more days, 8 more days, it should be here. Peace. Auction fine. That's where I got it. Got it for an auction. I hope, cross fingers, that this thing is in good shape. I got it for a good deal though, so I ain't gonna complain if it's in bad shape. But it looks straight. It looks like there's no rust, but I haven't seen the frame yet, and I haven't heard it run or anything. All I know, it runs. It doesn't move, so it might be some with the transmission. It has a 4L60 or something like that. So yeah. All right. The crew cab's here. It's the one I was talking about. Better than I thought. I was told that it does not drive, and it does not stay in park, and it wouldn't stay running. It drove off the truck just fine, and it drove back here just fine, so I'm happy about that. Common issues. Rocker panels are messed up. As you can see, this is the passenger side. I'm gonna put some skin covers on those. That'll be good. This side rocker has been taped up to make it look good for the sale, but it has a hole in it right here, so no biggie. But you know what the good thing is? Look at the frame. Dude, there's no holes in the frame from what I've seen when it was on the truck. It's a solid truck. All that's wrong with it is the door. I'll show you why. I'm glad that they gave me one of these, because I was actually about to go to the junkyard and get one of these, because I'll show you why. Interior is pretty clean. Does not smell bad at all, thankfully. It smells like a Chevy. It's clean. Typical tailgate, doesn't stay closed, so I'm going to leave this on for now. But as you can tell, tailgate's open. Body's pretty straight. Taillight's not working. Gotta replace the entire assembly right here. There's been a hit right here, but it's not that bad. It looks like I can straighten it out, clean it up. This is the worst of it right here. Some scuff. I think like a tire hit it, to be honest, like a big truck. It's the inside. Dude, this thing's clean. Where are you gonna get a Cat Eye that the dashboard looks like that? This is the VIN code Z, so it's free of any of that deactivation thingy issues, and that's the reason why the door doesn't open. So it opens from the inside, but it can't open from the outside. But I have a feeling right there's the problem. So easy fix. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna christen it, because you know I'm planning on keeping this one, to be honest. I was gonna flip it, but dude, for it to run and drive coming off the truck, it's good. Don't know why the rear is hopping a little bit. It's like, it's kind of like a limited slip, or like it's a welded diff. So I gotta figure out why. This is hopping a lot, but it's driving on its own. It drove off the truck and in the property. Check the engine oil. It's really low. I don't know if it's leaking or not. I hope it's not, because these 5.3s do have an issue with the rear main seal. Dipstick is broken right here. Easy fix. Transmission level is good, so I'm gonna add some oil. All the fluids are good. There's a broken ground strap there, but I am gonna change the ground strap going to the engine block, only because to prevent any issues. But I'm so happy that that frame is so clean. Headlights need to be changed, and the front. The good thing is I saw one in the back, so I was gonna go to the junkyard, pick and pull, and actually pull one, but nope. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some engine oil in this thing, some Chevy grade engine oil with Dex OS in it, and I'm gonna see how this thing runs. And you won't believe why they say this thing was not running. It had zero fuel in it, zero. The guy drove it out the truck, started it up. Next thing you know, he was coming off the truck and it stalled. I was like, dude, you're out of gas. I think we just solved our issue. I got 5 gallons. I put 5 gallons in it. It drove right in. Came right here. So let me go check the oil. I'm gonna start it up and give you guys a little tour. All right, so added some oil, motor oil. Added some gasoline in it, about 5 gallons. Let's go. What the heck? There we go. Starts right up, boys. And the gauge works. Perfect. Oil pressure's a little high, but dude. Alright. Okay, that doesn't want to work good, so. Alright. Make sure. Dude, this thing is clean and it sounds good. Only thing it can't open from the outside, but it's okay. Whew, she dusty. She runs good though. She's solid. Believe it or not, this thing was a non-runner because of gasoline. She sounds healthy. Chassis is clean, no rust. The gas gauge don't work. Well, she got fuel in it, but the gas gauge don't work. Let's see. Oh, compressor just kicked on, boys. Okay, it does not work. There we go. It works on 5. Oh, it's cold. Dude. Yeah, that gas gauge don't work at all. So it looks like the 2 motors in here are messed up. But dude, it works. Tackle, everything works. Check engine light. I guarantee that's for the evap canister. But let's shut that off real quick. Let's see if she'll move. Brakes are solid. Reverse. Kicked in reverse. Drive. Oh. Reverse. Not even hitting the gas. Alright. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know why the rear end is doing that. I'll show you guys what it's doing. Hold on. Oh. Let me show you. Take a look at the rear end. I have a feeling I have a bad axle. It's no biggie, bro. It moves and drives. It drove off the damn truck by itself. I'm so happy. Oh, shit, the gauge does work. It's moving. Okay. Dude. Dude, the air works. Yo. I'm not going to tell you guys how much I paid for this thing because you guys are going to be like, what the hell is wrong with people? Alright, so I just took it around the block and I noticed it doesn't want to get out of second gear. I have a feeling I know what it is. I hope. But other than that, it runs good, drives good. It just doesn't get out of second gear. But the AC, everything works. It's solid. I'm happy. Good deal. Deuces. And that's a cleaned up truck right there. Needs a lot more cleaning. Gonna steam clean it and everything. I'm gonna go to the pick and pull now and actually finish the video. And yeah, I will get some parts for this.